What's up, folks? It's Dan here from BeAGameCharacter.com, where we turn games into games, and today we're going over the Dumbbell Incline Press. We've done the Barbell Incline Press in the channel before, but today we're going over the Dumbbell Incline Press. Okay, so for this, you're going to need some dumbbells, obviously, one for each hand, and you're going to need an adjustable incline bench, alright? So, start off, if you're having a difficult time getting your dumbbells up into position with just your arm strength, one of the things that you can do is you can lean back and you can kick your legs up to get your dumbbells into position. Now, on the incline press, I'm going to show this from the front and from the side, all right? On the incline press, what you want to do is you obviously are on an incline. You're going to lay your head back, and you want to make sure the arms are not flared out super far to the side, okay? You want them down probably about a 45-degree or closer angle. Your wrists are pronated. They're not a hammer grip. They're not supinated. Pronated wrists like so, flat, and then you're just going to press up and back down again. Up and back down again. One more time. Up nice and controlled, and down nice and controlled. Now the incline bench is great for developing pectoral shape, if you want those nice rounded pecs. It's also good for developing strength for, in my opinion, punching. In fact, I think that the incline press is a better exercise for developing punching strength in your upper body than the flat bench press. And the dumbbell variant is different in that you won't push quite as much weight as you will with a barbell set, but that's because you're using your stabilizer muscles much more, and also each arm is relied to basically pull its own weight. You can't use your right arm to compensate for a weaker left arm and vice versa. So now we're going to show it from the side. Now from the side here, you can really see how I'm keeping my elbows in. They're not flared out super far. The elbows are in, they're tight, and I'm controlling, and I'm focusing especially on pressing up with my pecs as I'm driving up. You want to feel the strength in your chest as you're pushing upwards. You don't want to be relying on your triceps completely to do this motion. You want to be engaging that chest and really flexing it on the way up there. One more time. And again, remember to control the down. Don't just flop your arms down. You want to control that downward, that eccentric motion to really work the muscles. So that's the dumbbell incline press. I use this for a couple of workouts over on the blog, including the Space Marine, aka Doom Guy workout, which will be coming to the channel soon. Thank you for watching. As always, remember to live boldly, change the world, and continue to be awesome. Bye-bye.
Listen.